What's the matter? It won't tip over, huh? You're gonna have to eat it out of a bowl. Oh no. What are you gonna do? What are you gonna do? Is this your new diet? Is this your new diet? The no-tip bowl.
Two things that I bought from Amazon just because I need it. This is wonderful. Like, doesn't even matter how you put it on, it just fits right on top. And then these bowls, I need 2 of them so that I can wash. Anyways, perfect.
It's a big one. It's for this dog. These bowls are the best. Rubber bottoms stops them from moving. I've had them 3 months now and they're perfect. They hold a great amount of food. Perfect, about 2 or 3 cups of food.